Hi, good afternoon.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, can you see and hear me clearly?
Yes,
Okay, nice. Let me introduce myself first. So, my name is Teacher Shallow. What about you? What's your name?
I'm Kang.
Kang. What a great name, Kang. So, before we start, do you want to sing with me?
Sing, yes, yes, sing.
Okay, great. Do you know the Hello song?
Mm, no.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you what Hello Song is. So wait for a minute, I'm gonna share my screen. Can you see it?
Yes.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Okay, did you enjoy our song?
Mm, okay, good.
Yes, you actually sing so good. Okay, can we now start our lesson?
Yes.
Okay, let me share my blackboard. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Oh, yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, so now we're going to answer some questions, okay? We're going to match the sentences and pictures. Can you see the pictures here?
Mm, yes.
Okay, so today we'll learn something exciting. It's called answering questions. Can you say answering questions?
Uh, um, I don't know.
Okay, let me help you. Answering
And steering
questions.
questions.
Answering questions.
Answering questions.
Okay, perfect. So we will learn how to answer questions about pictures, and we'll also learn some new action words like color, draw, tick, write, and open. Okay, so are you ready?
Mm, yes.
Okay, so let's start since you're ready. Okay, first, number one, color number eight, red and yellow. Can you see number eight?
Eight, eight. Yes, yes. Red,
Yes,
red.
yes, red and.
Yeah, yellow.
Okay, what letter is it?
Letter, letter
Yes, letter.
E, E.
Okay, very good. Letter E. So that's a given example. Okay, so we're going to do the rest. Okay, number 2. Open your book. Can you see the book? Where's the book? Is it letter A?
Book. Book.
Letter B? Yes, book. Where's the letter? Ours? What letter is the book? Can you see the book?
Mm, D. D.
Letter D. Okay, very good. Is the book closed or open?
Open. Open.
Yes, that's open. The book is open. So number 2 is letter?
D.
Yes, letter D. Okay, correct. So number 3, draw a face. Can you see a face? Where's the face?
Face. Don't know
Yes,
face.
the face
Don't know
is
face.
this. This is
Face.
our face. Where's the face?
Uh, oh,
The
C. C.
Yes, letter C. You saw that right. This is the face. Okay, so draw a face is letter
C.
C. Okay, correct. So number 4, put a cross in the box. Do you know what cross means? What is
Cross.
cross?
No. No.
Okay, so cross is we
Mm,
use cross when something is wrong. Okay, let me write that for you. Cross. Okay, that's
oh.
cross.
F. F.
Okay, letter F. Correct. Letter F. Oh, let's match that. F. Okay, correct. Tick the box. Where's the box? With a tick. Do you know what tick means?
This? No.
Okay, yeah. Oh, so tick is a check mark. Where's the check mark here?
Oh, I see. See, I see A.
Okay, letter A correct. There's a check mark inside the box. So, letter 5 is letter oh,
A.
letter A. Sorry for the line. Okay, now number 6. Write your name, please. So, we write our name and letters. So, where's the letter here? Can you see a letter?
Letter. Le-
Yes.
Letter B.
Letter B.
B. B.
Okay, letter
B.
B, correct. Letter B. Oh, sorry. Can you, okay, can you, let's review it. Okay, so number 1 is letter,
Mm, E.
okay, what about number 2?
Mm, D.
What about number 3?
C.
Okay, letter C. What about number 4?
Mm, ah, can't see it. I can't
Oh, sorry.
see
Number 4 is,
F.
okay, letter, oh, letter F. Yes, correct. Number 5.
Mm, B.
Okay, letter B, correct. Number 6.
Mm, I can't see
Number 6 is?
A.
Okay, letter A. Oh, number 6 is? Letter?
B.
Okay,
B.
letter B. Okay, so very good. You did it so well. Okay, now let's move on to grammar. Okay, look at the picture, answer the questions, write one word or a number. Okay, so there's a lot of things here. Okay, so we're going to answer these questions. Okay, for example, number one, how many apples are there on the bed?
Mm, or apples. Apple.
Yes, yes.
One, two, three. Three.
Okay, there are three apples here. One, two, and three. Okay, there are three apples. What about number two? Where is the purple ball? Can you see the purple ball?
Mm, purple.
Yes.
Purple. That's bed. Bed. Bed.
Okay, bed. It's on the bed. Okay, can you say it again? It's on the bed.
On the bed.
Okay, great. The purple ball is on the bed. Okay, number three. How many books are there? Can you count the books in the picture?
Books.
Yes.
One, two, three, four, five. Two,
Okay.
three, four. Four.
Okay. Four. What about this
Oh,
one?
five.
Okay.
Six.
And
Seven. Seven. Seven.
okay, seven. Very good. There are seven books. Okay. Can you say there are seven books?
There are seven books.
Okay, very good. Okay, now number four. What color is the car next to the brown cat? Can you see the brown cat?
Brown.
Where's the brown cat?
Yes.
Okay, here's the brown cat. So what color is the car next to the brown cat? What color is this?
Red. Red.
Okay, awesome. You're so smart. That's color red. Okay, it's red. Can you say it's red?
It's red.
Okay, nice. So now number five. Where's the green car? Can you see the green car? Where's the green car?
There. There.
Is this the green car?
No, no.
What about this? Is this the green car?
No.
Okay, is this the green car?
Yes, yes.
Okay, where is it?
Bed.
It okay, it's under the okay, bed. Can you say it's under the bed?
Under the bed.
Yes, it's under the bed. Okay, so number six. What color is the football? What color is the football? Here's the football. What color is it? It has two colors.
White.
And
Black.
okay, very good. It's black and white. Can you say it's black and white?
Black and white.
Okay, very good. So you did a great well. You did such an amazing job today. We learned how to answer questions and practice new words like color, draw, tick, and cross. You also listened very well, but we don't have much time enough, right? We'll continue more next time, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so bye for now.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye bye. See you next time.